now pronounce you as husband and wife. Therefore, what God has told you in a common separate. You may now kiss the bride. Alright. Do you need one more kiss? Yeah! So, Neil, on three, halikan mo ang asawa si April. 1, 2, 3, kiss the bride. 1, 2, louder.
3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a half, 9 and 3/4, 10. And now for the presentation of the newlywed, ladies and gentlemen, it is much pleasure that I now introduce of you Mr. and Mrs. Anne, our newlywed. Let's give them a big round of applause. And everybody shout congratulations, newlywed. One more time, Aubrey. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright.